In this lesson, our goal is to learn how to build effective weekly and daily planning systems. By the end, you'll be able to connect your long-term goals with your everyday actions, making sure that what you do each day moves you closer to the outcomes you want. Effective time management isn't something you do just once. It's a process you repeat regularly. The most productive people don't simply react to whatever the day throws at them. Instead, they create weekly and daily planning systems that keep them focused, intentional, and resilient even when demands change. Weekly and daily planning work hand in hand. Weekly planning gives you a big picture view and helps you stay aligned with your long-term goals. Daily planning then takes those goals and turns them into concrete actions, giving your day structure and focus. Together, these systems provide a solid foundation that lets you make consistent progress while avoiding overwhelm. Let's start with weekly planning, which gives you a strategic overview of your time. This is when you align your schedule with your values, roles, and long-term goals. The best time to plan your week is either Sunday evening or Monday morning, and you'll usually need about 30 to 60 minutes. Begin by clarifying the major roles you play in your life this week. You might be a student, a job seeker, a family member, a friend, or perhaps an athlete or artist. Next, set 1 or 2 SMART goals for each role. Goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This helps create balance and gives meaning to how you spend your time. For example, as a student, your goal might be to finish 3 chapters of a textbook and prepare for a quiz. As a job seeker, you might plan to submit 5 applications and attend 1 networking event. Once you have your goals, organize your tasks using the Eisenhower matrix to see what's most important. Pay special attention to Q2 tasks, which are long-term, non-urgent activities that help you make progress. Next, block time for key activities in a digital calendar or planner. Set aside blocks for studying or work, job searching, self-care, errands, and other appointments. Make sure to include some buffer time for flexibility. Finally, review your existing commitments like classes, shifts, meetings, and deadlines. Build your plan around these immovable events, but avoid overfilling your calendar. Leaving space for spontaneity and rest is just as important as scheduling work. Now let's talk about daily planning, which is all about turning your weekly vision into concrete, actionable steps. This is where you focus on execution and can use tools like the Pomodoro technique to stay on track. The best time to plan your day is either first thing in the morning or the night before, and it usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Start by reviewing your weekly plan. Look at your goals and time blocks for the day. What tasks are already scheduled and what needs your priority? Next, identify your most important tasks, or MITs. Pick your top 3, the tasks that will have the biggest impact today. These often come from Q1 or Q2 in your Eisenhower matrix. Then apply the Pomodoro technique. Break your MITs into 25-minute focused work sessions with 5-minute breaks. Estimate how many Pomodoros each task will take, and plan when you'll complete them during the day. After that, time block your day in your calendar or planner. Schedule your Pomodoro sessions, meetings, classes, meals, exercise, and breaks. Leave some buffer time for flexibility. Finally, track, reflect, and adjust. At the end of the day, review what you accomplished, note what didn't go as planned, and adjust your next day's plan accordingly. Daily journaling or checklists can help reinforce learning and increase awareness of your habits. Let's look at some tools that can help you plan and manage your time effectively. Google Calendar is great for time blocking and scheduling. It gives you a clear visual layout, lets you set up recurring events, and provides notifications so you never miss important tasks. Notion or Trello are excellent for task management and planning. They use drag and drop boards and allow you to organize tasks by role or project, making it easy to see what needs attention. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, a paper planner can be very effective. You can use it for bullet journaling or analog reflection, giving you a visual and tactile way to plan your day and track your progress. Each of these tools can support your weekly and daily planning systems, helping you stay organized and focused on your priorities. Now let's bring everything together into a complete, integrated time management system. At the strategic level, your goal is to clarify your big picture goals and values. Weekly planning and the Eisenhower matrix help you prioritize what really matters, giving you clarity and direction. At the tactical level, daily planning, and the Pomodoro technique support focused execution. They help you break tasks into manageable steps, maintain concentration, and keep your energy steady throughout the day. When used together, these techniques form a powerful system. The Eisenhower matrix helps you choose the most important tasks. The Pomodoro technique helps you stay focused and energized while working. And reflective time management habits, like reviewing your daily and weekly plans, help you adapt and improve your system over time. This integrated approach prevents overload, builds momentum, and ensures that you spend your time intentionally rather than just reacting to whatever comes up. Over time, it not only improves your productivity, but also gives you greater confidence, clarity, and balance in your daily life. With this system, you gain strategic clarity through weekly planning, tactical precision through daily planning, sustainable focus through Pomodoros, and the ability to reflect and adapt through regular reviews. Time, once spent, can't be recovered. But with the right approach, you can take control of how you use it. By aligning your priorities with the Eisenhower matrix, executing tasks with focus using the Pomodoro technique, and maintaining consistency through weekly and daily planning, you build habits that lead to long-term achievement and personal growth. You're not just managing your time, you're designing a life of intention,